Hi, welcome to this lesson on how to write an IELTS essay. In the IELTS test, you get two writing tasks. The first one is usually a graph or a picture, and that involves reporting the data that you see in that picture. In task 2, you're given a generic topic, and in the topic, you usually find a statement, an opinion, and a question. So let's look at an example topic. So here's the topic: city living in the 21st century is stressful and offers no advantages. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So the first part of this topic, which is city living in the 21st century is stressful and offers no advantages, is both a statement and the opinion of whoever gave this topic. Well, the real question is, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? To write the introduction, usually I would suggest a method, and that involves paraphrasing. So city living can be written as living in cities in the 21st century. So since this is the 21st century, you would say nowadays. You could change this and write your own words, which would mean what they said here. Is stressful and there are no particular benefits, so offers no advantages. Now to the question. So step 1 would be to just write your opinion. So here I am expressing my opinion that indeed living in cities is stressful and there are no particular benefits. But I would also like to mention the inverse is true. However, living in the countryside also has its own problems. So here is my opinion. Now, step 2 is to develop the topic. Usually write something that is related to the topic, like a background of this topic. To write the background, you may have to answer the question why. Why is city living in the 21st century stressful and offers no advantages? So think of some of the answers. I would say there's a lot of traffic, pollution, and living in a city could be expensive. So those could be the reasons why we say it is stressful. And oftentimes you take a long time to reach from point 1 to point 2 inside a city. So long distances add to the stress. So this is what we're going to write. So what I've written here is most cities are large physically and in terms of the population. It is stressful to spend hours in the traffic. Cities are expensive. That means people living there need to earn a lot of money. Usually, city folk are busy making a living. So this is how you may write the introduction and then the background. You may also want to write the inverse, the other side of the story, and which would be, if you were living in the countryside, there are problems too. It can be stressful because usually countryside is isolated. In most countries, villages and small towns are less populated, offer less benefits, as well as lesser opportunities for social interaction. Now you could continue to write with examples. Once you've written the flip side, you write examples. Examples can be from your personal experience or generic ones. I would suggest you write one general example and also one personal example. And in conclusion, you could write a thesis statement. A thesis statement is generally a strong way of expressing your opinion. So that could be written after you write the inverse side and the examples. I would suggest that you write the conclusion or the thesis statement, a stronger way of expressing your opinion. So you could use the generic in conclusion or to summarize or any other words which indicate that this is the end of the writing passage. So I am going to use in conclusion. You could use any other if you want. In conclusion, city life is very stressful. However, it also offers many stress relievers. Now, stress relievers and entertainment, such as movies, parks, sports arenas, and so on. Therefore, city life can be made less stressful. This is just one sample conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. You could apply this technique to any other topic. I have lots of sample IELTS essays written on my site. And please visit, subscribe to this video, and you may visit my website, which is on this website you have many sample essays, and most of them also have a worksheet that you could use to develop your writing skills. So I wish you all good luck with your IELTS test. Thanks for watching.